All right, I'm inside my Microsoft Excel. You can see Microsoft Excel. Okay, and inside this Microsoft Excel, all right, if you go into the data, all right, of course you can get data from a lot of places, but a lot of people do not know that you can also get data directly from the web. Web here basically means the internet. What all you need to do is click this little button from web, and what is the URL that you want to get it from? Okay, just gonna do this. Okay, Wikipedia. All right, and I'll click OK. You'll take a little bit of time, right? Because you need to connect to the web, you need to connect to the URL and get the data that you want. All right. From here, it can obtain certain information. But the nice one is actually the table. Okay, so if I really want this, I can just load it in, right? And you can see, but I can use it directly, or I can further modify it. Right? So this is a very useful feature. Right? Instead of copy and paste.